This is an unboxing of a Lenovo P17. It's the power cord. It's pretty heavy duty. It's a 230 watt adapter with the older connection cord because I guess USB-C can't deliver that much power. This laptop is pretty huge. So let's just go over the ports here. It's got two USB 3.2 Gen 1, a full-size SD card, Kensington slot, just the fan ports there. On the back, Ethernet, a USB-C, and then two other USB-Cs that are Thunderbolt, the power adapter. On this side, just HDMI, another USB SIM card slot, and a combo audio port. There's nothing on the front. So it looks on the bottom. Just a little reset hole right there. And here, just the fingerprint reader. And speakers are on the top. And then the webcam with the privacy switch, the dual webcams, and this one has an infrared light there as well at the top. And that is it. It is really heavy and really big.